What's up, guys? Today is Thursday. Snap on Thursday. You know this truck's full. Let's see what Kevin's got. Let's do it. Woo, buddy, it is full in this truck. As always, it's always full of it.
Try to. Yeah. Deal of the day on some bolt cutters.
Red box. Some pink adjustable wrenches.
That is a thin jaws.
Yeah.
How thin.
That is thin. Very
It
nice.
is a heavy selling point for anybody that deals with hydraulic lines, brake lines, all that.
What else you got up there? Oh, those socket sets.
Yeah, still got a few of those left. Probably the biggest thing that came in was all the 1/2 inch without the just the regular handle.
All the chrome handles.
So you can put the breaker bars on them, I guess.
Cheater pipes.
Yeah, that way they can't say anything about the handles.
Well, at least you guys can replace the handles if they screw them up on the regular ones. So. Damn, you sold the heck out of them.
Yeah. So far. People ask me about the pressure. I'm still not sure on that because I like the jet nozzle like the one I already have.
Yeah.
I guess I could try one. I just don't want to buy one. I got one that I'm perfectly happy with.
For the price, I don't want to buy one either. I'm going to stick with my rubber one you just mash and it squirts the water out. Well, what you got this big old camping wagon for back here?
That's the
it's camo.
That's going to be the
too.
Raffle. Doing tickets. If you get anything out of the basket, you get 5 extra tickets. But
nice.
Doing a nice little raffle for that. I like the big tires on it, man.
Oh yeah.
Bet you it goes right through the sand.
Mm-hmm.
And then the wagon will collapse and fit inside the bag that's on the handle. It's
nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's really cool.
I do like it. It is.
Well, we got 20% off of.
That's the bolt cutters.
Oh, the great big one.
Yeah. I'm trying to let them.
I hope I don't need no bolt cutters that big.
That's a lot. I've heard that a bunch this week.
I think I just have
sold
to.
a bunch of them, but then
I
it's
think
also,
I just have to break out the battery-powered grinder at that point.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Goodness.
They're good leverage. It's been my heavy-duty guys that cut some stuff, but then I got heavy-duty guys who are like, I just don't see anywhere where I'd use those.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, so what? I see you got some stuff up there, the OBD event,
Open to buy
event or whatever.
Yeah, open to buy.
Okay.
That's the credit apps. Run a credit app. It helps our numbers. I guess I sort of get a feel of what people do, but all I got left now, I think, is the backpacks. I think I got one of the reversible hats left, and I got one 2X shirt left. So.
Wow.
It's been, I'm not sure how many of the backpacks are left in the box, but
well, it was a good promotion then, I guess. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Go through it that way.
They have numbers that we are needing to hit, like each franchisee has to hit certain numbers, and so that sort of helps promote it a little bit, because usually the backpacks are pretty expensive, so you get one for free. That's not too bad. The shirts, I can't remember the cost on them, but I know how much our regular, like our Dixons, are real high, and that's about where I put it at. Price wise would probably be around what the Dixons are, and then I know what I sell my hats for and stuff like that. So I mean, it's all stuff, and everybody loves the reversible bucket hats.
Right.
So it's something for everyone. I know I got one guy that waits every year because he knows we have a bucket hat, but now he's got some parts on his ears that are real sensitive, and he's had problems.
Come in with them, huh?
Oh yeah, every year I know to put one back for him, and he's ready to do whatever he's got to do to get one. So
that's pretty cool, man. So do you replace a lot of those handles for guys? Like,
I have not. My machine is out right now. One of the cotter pins, which is pretty normal on those, but now when I've had the tooling die guy fix my machine, I have them put a little bit better of a
Right.
cotter pin or a little bit better of a pin in there.
I know
But no,
that
as
thing,
far as
that
the
was
handles,
a big
I don't
thing when
do
they
a bunch of handles.
started doing like a bunch of different colors. Man, I remember our old dealer, he was swapping them handles out like
Yeah,
crazy.
I mean, I
man.
keep them in. I have them in stock.
Yeah. It's nice too, because you're gonna skin those up, mess them up, you know,
some
drop them
people-
against something, and
Some people will buy a red one, and then they'll decide to
I want a green.
change. Yeah, they'll change it
I've
out.
done that before, you know. So I know how it is, man. It's cheaper to put a. I don't know. They used to be like $10 a piece, $15 a piece. I don't know how much they are now. I ain't bought one in forever, but it may be $100 to change one. Now. I
Well,
don't
we
know.
do have a few good sets. Well, we have a anniversary. It's going to be sockets and a 3/8 ratchet, but it's a completely specially made set. I don't think it's going to be anything that anybody wants to use. It'll definitely be a collector, but
Oh, is
should
that
be
the
coming out
nano
soon.
set that I seen?
No, it's
Somebody had?
going to be some like that there, but it's going to be specially made, specially engraved. Even the off and on is going to be different. It's going to be a nice little tribute ratchet set. I think even the case that it's in is
Really?
specially dipped and stuff like that. Yeah, it's going to be a nice little set.
When is that going to be up?
Should be coming in the next few weeks. I ordered some from the last meeting that we had on Monday.
Nice.
So hopefully, I'm not sure when they're supposed to ship out, but they are on the way.
That's
I've seen a few posts on it online, like some people are.
That'll be cool
I
to
didn't
get
get
to
a
see
picture.
them when you get in.
Oh yeah. Hopefully, I'll have them by Thursday. I'm imagining, like, I got a lot of guys that collect the stuff like that. So
Mm-hmm. Me too. It's
Yeah.
expensive.
yeah, it is going to be expensive. I can say that. But it is a set of sockets. Like it's not going to be anything you're going to want to use in the shop. It's going to be specifically collector. I guess
Right.
some people will use them in the shop, but not many.
That is a pretty cool setup right there.
Yeah, multi-position.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually I just sold the last one with the 3/8 head.
I've got a 3/8, but I didn't. I ain't never seen the quarter.
I don't think I've had the quarter that long.
That one's really, really cool. Just to be able to leave it loose too, so you can run that thing back and forth. That's really nice right there.
If you get stuck anywhere where you can't go side to side, you can at least go up
just
and down.
Up and down. That's right. That's a cool ratchet right there, man. Out of all them up there, that's my pick of the litter right there. Dang, these are neat. I haven't seen these either.
That's those plastic cutters.
Oh, these are just for plastic.
Yep. Zip ties, stuff like that. Man, they are sharp.
It's different.
They definitely
Yeah.
don't play.
A lot of cool stuff. Well, alright guys, I'm gonna turn this thing off. I got a couple things I'm gonna take a look at here with Kevin, but like always, thanks for hanging out with us today. Hit that thumbs up, check over for merchandise, cool tools, and then get some count codes down there. If you're not subscribed, take your finger, click that button. Y'all have a great week. See ya.